Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mike from Mike's Garage, and I am out here with the Dirty Dodge again today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to properly lay a nice bed liner down in the back of your bed to spice up the truck a little bit. I have this plastic bed liner. I'm not really a fan of it. It makes noise all the time and shit, a lot of wind noises, and it just gets annoying. It did a good job holding everything, but just gets annoying. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you through step by step and show you all the products you're going to need, everything you're going to use to lay down the proper bed liner. Make sure it's laid down right. Any paint job, guys, is 99% preparation, 1% paint. It is going to take you a while to repair this, so be prepared to spend a good hour on it. But guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be so worth it in the end. I've done this on trucks I've had before. We're going to be able to get all these nooks, all these crannies, all these angles, everything, and we're going to do it right. So first thing you're gonna need, I love the Duplicolor truck bed coating. It's my favorite. I use it at work, I use it on the undercarriage, I use it all the time and everything. So this is what I highly recommend you go ahead and pick up to use. You're definitely gonna need some painter's tape. I always like to use a little bit of brake clean on this. Maybe there's some hard spots to clean up. Maybe you know, there's like some surface rust or something. Speaking of surface rust, you might need a little bit of sanding paper just in case. That's a little too thick for this. I have a thinner one that I'm gonna go get right now, but and then you might need some towels just to dry everything down once you're done cleaning it. And we're gonna go ahead and just go from there. So first things first, I'm gonna take off this old plastic one. Comes off pretty easy. I'm going to inspect everything. I'm going to spray the bed out with water and some purple power, scrub it down, blow it out with a leaf blower, and we're going to go into step 2. So let's just jump right into it. Alright guys, so now that I got this bed cover off, I just took this one off, and you can see it's pretty dirty. Not a lot of scratches though, which I'm pretty surprised about. So it looks like we might just have to clean this one up, tape it off. And I'm going to tape it off right at the angles where the bed liner ended. So I'm going to tape it off here, running there, and then just running up. I don't want to get too much up here, so I'm just going to go a little bit. I might go to here actually. Yeah, I got to go to there where the old bed liner ended. You can see where it rubbed away a lot of the factory paint and stuff. But that's alright, we're going to go ahead and clean that up. But like I said, we're going to clean it. We're going to sand it a little bit if there were spots, but looking here, I really don't see any spots. We're going to tape it, and we're going to paint it. The biggest thing is make sure there's not a lot of overspray on this, and it should be good to go. Alright guys, so now that we got that done, the bed liner, or the old plastic bed liner off, looking at it, it actually looks great. There's no scratches, no dents besides this one. I'm going to have to clean that up a little bit, but nothing that I'm really going to need to use sandpaper on or anything. One thing I did not mention in the intro, you're going to need a bottle of purple power or degreaser or anything, and a new sponge. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean this off, hit it with some purple power, hit it with a sponge, dry it off, and then I'm going to try to go exactly follow the outline of where the bed liner was, so it's a nice clean paint job. Make sure we get it done right the first time, you know. So take your time when taping out the line. Take your time when cleaning it up. You don't want to paint over any dust or anything. It's not going to let the paint adhere to the body good. And just go from there, guys. This is a nice, easy project that'll make your truck look a lot better. Alright guys, so like I said, a lot of preparation in this. That probably took me about 15-20 minutes. But we got it cleaned, no speck of dirt, it's fully dry, we're taped out, the lines are nice, they're crisp, they're put down correctly. We're just ready to go now. Next thing is just to spray it and see how it comes out. And just go from there. But with all this preparation and everything, you know, I took time and inspected everything, make sure there was nothing too crazy or anything like that. When I do go to spray this front side, because it's so close to the paint that would show, what I'm going to do is put another piece of tape and some of that paper towels down so I don't get any overspray on the bottom. And we're gonna go from there. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, and that is it. It is that easy to spray your bed. Like I said, 99% preparation, 1% actual spraying. I am going to go ahead and do that. I just wanted to make sure I had enough light to show you guys how it actually works and how it's all done. Let's go ahead and peel a little paint off, actually, see. That looks good. Actually looks really good. That's not paint, that's like a little scuff from the old bed liner, but it all came out really nice. Actually, I'm very surprised, and it's got a nice like gritty texture to it and stuff, so it's pretty nice. Guys, like I said, I love this stuff. In 3 cans, I might have to go get 2 more, but you know, just in case. But that amount of cans will definitely you know, get the whole bed done and the gate and everything. So I'm just going to continue to peel this off. And oop. So didn't stick too well right there, but I can tape it and respray it. It'll be fine. I mean, if that's the only complaint out of this whole thing, I'm pretty happy with it. That's there. I mean, guys, the lines are crisp, solid, clean. I love it. Like I said, just retaping that bottom and re-hitting that. Should be good to go, guys. But thank you all for the view. I appreciate it. Nice and easy job. Make the truck look 100 times better. You know, especially if you don't have any liner in there at all. The Duplicolor truck bed liner is where it's at. I use it all the time and I love it. Thank you guys for the view. Hopefully you like what you watched today. If you did, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Don't forget to watch my last video. If you have any recommendations, want to tell me I'm doing horrible, tell me I'm doing great, please leave that in the comments section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Fire Truck Mechanic. And guys, we will see you on the next one. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to do a tile mats on the bed. I started to do the bed, I ran out of paint, so I'm going to have to run to the store and get some paint real quick, but you can see it's going to take a few coats. That was with 2 cans. I was able to do the majority of the walls. Like I said in the beginning too, you want to try to get the corners first. Those are going to be the most important spots, the corners, leading all the way up and things like that. So I did the general areas first. I'm going to get some tape, outline this, outline the front of the bed and the tops and everything to make sure we get it done right, and we'll go from there. So we're gonna go get some paint. We'll be right back. Alright guys, that is it. We have the bed liner on. I know you can't see very well because of the shadows, but we got it on. You can see in this spot it is on nice. Don't mind the dark and the light because it is fresh paint. It's not fully dried yet, so I don't want to really touch it, but it's good to go. A few little spots I got to clean up from some overspray, but like I said, remember this is 99% preparation, 1% actually painting. This job probably took me about 2 hours to do, but well worth it. It made the truck look 1,000 times nicer. Got took care of a few rust spots in the back corner over there, and we're really good to go. I'm very excited. But thanks for the view, guys. Please don't forget to like. Please don't forget to subscribe. Fire Truck Mechanic on Instagram. If you have any questions or comments, any recommendations, please leave those in the comment section. And we will see y'all on the next one.